Hi, it's Jennifer, and I'm with Live a Little, and we're back finishing up our salad series for May, because May is National Salad Month. And if you've watched any of our other series, I've done Tabbuli, which is a Lebanese salad, and Lebanese cooking is near and dear to my heart because my husband is half Lebanese. And we're going to finish up with Fattush, which is a Lebanese bread salad, also a favorite of ours. Much easier to prepare, or less time consuming, I'd say, than Tabbuli. So we have it all ready to go here. It's only going to take a minute or so to mix it all up, so we're going to get right to it. And again, you can get the recipe at our website, livealittle.com, under recipes, Fattush Lebanese bread salad. So we're just going to start with some romaine, and we're going to add all of our ingredients, which is tomatoes and cucumbers, which I seeded. You don't have to seed them, but I like to do that. I think it keeps the salad a little fresher and crisper. Okay, and then of course it would not be Lebanese a meal without mint, green onion, and parsley. So we're going to do all of that, and then there's a little bit of just fresh sweet onion in there as well. And the recipe, just like the Tabbuli recipe, also can call for some dried onion, but it's hard to find dried onion around here, so we'll just use a little fresh onion. But if you can locate it, then go for it. Use the dried onion. It really gives a really nice flavor. It's a really pretty salad, not tons of lettuce in it, a lot more mint than parsley, probably 50% mint, 50% parsley, 100% mint, okay? And then a little bit of garlic, which has been minced, okay? And then we're just gonna do some cinnamon, which doesn't always call for cinnamon, but I love the cinnamon in Lebanese cooking, and I think it adds a nice little flavor. So maybe not totally traditional in Fattush, but nonetheless adds great flavor. Salt, obviously, it always needs a little salt. And then just lemon juice and olive oil. And we're using Greek olive oil in here. Close to, Greek food is close to Lebanese cuisine, so we're gonna try to stay as true as we can. And then you can mix the salad up. You can let the salad sit for a while. But the little special part of the salad, which really makes a huge difference, is just toasted pita bread, toasted Lebanese bread. So I pre-toasted some, and just before you're ready to serve it, you're going to toss that bread into the salad, and then serve it right away so the pita stays crispy. And it's a really thin bread, especially if you can find a really good Lebanese bread at a Lebanese bakery. It'll make all the difference than buying just a grocery store pocket bread, because they're always thicker than the real deal Arabic bread. So we've got a delicious salad, faster to prepare because you're not cleaning as much parsley, and really satisfying. Excellent on a warm summer day. So try it for yourself and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.